In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog in Shopify. If you already run a store on Shopify, adding a blog is a powerful way to share updates, educate customers, and boost your search visibility. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click Content. This is where Shopify organizes all written assets, including your blog. From there, open blog posts to see existing entries and access the blog editor. Click Create Blog Post. You'll land on the editor page. At the top, enter a clear, keyword-friendly title that tells readers exactly what the post covers. In the main editor, write your content. Keep sentences concise, use short paragraphs, and add headings to break up sections so it's easy to scan. If you mention products, write naturally and focus on helping the reader. That authenticity keeps people engaged. Scroll to the Excerpt section and open it. The Excerpt is a short summary that appears on your blog listing and may be used by themes or apps. Add one or two compelling sentences that highlight the value of your post and encourage the click. Next, set your post's visibility. Choose Visible to publish right away, or switch to Hidden while you're drafting. Hidden is great for saving your progress without showing the post to customers. You can change this setting anytime before or after you finish editing. Add a featured image by selecting Add Image, choose a high-quality, on-brand photo, and confirm with Done. A strong featured image improves your blog grid, helps your post stand out, and can appear in social previews. Aim for a clear subject and a reasonable file size for faster loading. Choose which blog this post belongs to. Many stores start with a default blog called News. If you want a separate space, pick the option to create a new blog and give it a descriptive name like Journal, Guides, or Stories. Organizing posts into the right blog helps customers find what they need and keeps your navigation clean. If your theme supports templates, look for the template field and select Default Blog Post. This ensures consistent styling unless you've built a special template for unique layouts. When everything looks good, click Save. If the post is hidden, you can return later. Switch it to Visible and save again to publish. That's it. Your Shopify blog post is ready. Keep the momentum going by posting consistently, writing for your customers' questions, and using concise excerpts and strong images